Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free units from the Baba shop. Let's tap the Baba shop, the exchange Baba shop. As you can see, there are four options here. The trade points. I can show you the guide how you can use this option, but let's tap the treasure first. You can sort your treasure by tap the information here. This is currently on treasure of me. Let's get to the point. This is for you who topping up. You can get this unit from top up your account. But this one, this is the dragon stone that you can get from event or this login. For your information, I'm a returning player. So if you do have this special dragon stone, you can get this free, or in case you are miss this event or miss this dragon stone, you can tap the exchange Baba shop, go to this treasure. Well, I already have all the character, not rainbow yet, but the best of this character, maybe some character, it's Isa. You can choose the character that you don't have. Don't pick a dupe or duplicate. For example, if you do have this character, please don't choose again for your duplicate. You can get this character later, is in general summon, but please choose that character that you do not have yet. So if you do have all the character, you can choose this. I will choose this Kai, Elder Kai, for leveling up my super attack level. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.